Find or read reviews that people are talking about Fywad Countertop Dishwasher. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Portable, no installation required. The countertop dishwasher contains a 4.6 liters water tank, which can be filled with water manually, without the tedious work of installation. And it is only 17.76 inches high, which is lower than 18 inches, meeting the needs of kitchens with low cabinets. Holds dishes up to 10 inches. Intimate design, smart child lock appointment. The mini dishwasher has a child lock designed to prevent misuse by infants and young children, and you can make an appointment for cleaning time at any time. Reasonable design, water leakage proof. Dishwasher 3D double layer spray, 360-degree all-round cleaning, 16 flushing ports, multi-angle water jets, so that stains have nowhere to hide. There are sealing strips all around to solve the problem of water leakage. Multi-program selection, convenient operation. The portable dishwasher can freely choose 4 washing programs. Smart touch screen, one-button operation is easy and convenient, and the functions are clear at a glance. 3-in-1 function. The dishwasher has a smart drying mode, which can be heated and dried at a high temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. This unit is equipped with dishwasher dryer and cabinet functions to keep your dishes clean and dry. Small body, large capacity. The compact dishwasher can accommodate 8 dinner plates, 3 rice bowls, 2 large mugs, 2 milk bottles, and 12 knives and forks. The design of the mini cutlery box saves space. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. Please press like button and share this video with your friends. Last, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.